In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make a VLOOKUP more dynamic with changing columns by using a match function inside of your VLOOKUP. So first, to walk through a basic VLOOKUP, we do equals lookup, and the first argument is the lookup value. So what do we want to look up? Well, we want to look up something with the name Jared. Now, where do we want to look it up? Well, we want to look up something related to Jared in this table right here. And it's important with a VLOOKUP that whatever you're looking up is in the first column of where you're looking. Now, which column do you want to return? Well, we want to return something associated with September, which is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth column. So comma 6. And as you can see, Jared got $376 on this day. Now, what if this changes? What if the date changes? Or what if you add columns to delete columns, right? Something to get around that to help make this function more dynamic is to use a match function inside of your column index number. So to do this, you can replace the 6 with a match. And what do I want to look up? Well, we want to look up something with the date September, right? Where do you want to look it up? You want to look it up here, and you want to return an exact match. Close parentheses and press enter. And now this is great because as the date changes above, then the VLOOKUP is now returning the relative column as the name changes. And ultimately, this will make your formula more robust as columns get added, deleted, or changed. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching.